Reload quick. I am the dairy cow rider. I am the dairy cow. Black and white dairy cow. Let's keep it like this.
Your udder's sticking out.
That's good though, they press it fed. Alright. Back up, boy, back up, boy. A layer of poo. Thank you. Goodness. Welcome to the dairy. I've never pigeon hunted inside the dairy before. Hunted this with Evan a couple of years ago out in the wheat field, or it was like, I think it was a milo field at the time. But they're letting us up in this mug, so we just got to be super cautious of. We got to shoot above the cows basically, so we just got to be super cautious of that. But we're gonna get the decoys set up, and y'all stand by. You want me to put them out there? Just put decoys out there? Yeah, you can put them out there. You can even put a few like right on this little feed bunker. Okay. Or we just want to wait? Probably wait. Okay. Yeah. Just walking on a layer of turd, man. It's all just cow poo-poo. We're gonna be nasty, Ryder. Hopefully it's worth it. We're gonna wait and see where these pigeons kind of pinpoint. Evan's hunted this spot before and had good success, so we're just gonna sit here, kind of do a little scouting around, see where they're trying to hit, and then we're gonna set up on them. We're hoping it's right here, but this is gonna be something interesting. We got Ryder on the cam here. It'll be our first pigeon hunt with a Ryder on the cam, which is awesome. All my other ones are with GoPros, so I'm pretty excited about that. Ought to have some really good footage. We're gonna stink for a week, but y'all hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this, because we're doing this for you, okay? This is purely for you people watching at home. So please take a second, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and drop a comment down drop a comment down below for Ryder. Say nice camera or something. I don't know.
Oh.
These chairs got a weight limit. Oh shit. Go. That concrete I was talking about. Yeah, it's pretty hard. I like doing them this way just because it's so much easier. Oh yeah, dude, like picking them up and just toss them in the bag. Yeah. The base is good annoying. Gonna try that? Yeah. There's 4 more out there on this right side. Those are sexy little spread. Realism. Hey, you call the shot. Oh man. Alright, let's get him, Cole. Oh, I got one. I got 0. Dude, there. I gotta take these gloves off. Right out front. Oh, he's too low. Catch him. Get him. Oh, nice shot. No way, dude. Oh, that was nasty. I love that. Here we go, right here. I didn't know if I should shoot. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do we shoot into it? Yeah, absolutely. See what they do. Let's get them. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yeah, absolutely. See what they do. Let's get them. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Reload quick. Holy moly. Oh my gosh, they're coming right back. They're coming right back.
I only got 2 shells in my gun. Alright, let's do it.
Goodness gracious. We mobbed a few right out front.
I only got 2 shells in my gun. Alright, let's do it.
Goodness gracious. We mobbed a few right out front. Okay, they're coming back again. Oh my Lord.
Get go.
Dusting them.
Get go.
Dusting them. Oh my gosh. Oh, coming in.
Alright, I'm warmed up now, boys.
I'm warm.
Alright, give.
Oh gosh, that shit. There we go. Oh gosh, reload. In the decoys, in the decoys. Oh, that was a little low, but it was still over them.
Oh, this is gonna be a fun day.
A little disclaimer, guys. I'm sure this GoPro is going to make it look like we are shooting directly over the cows. I can promise you, I haven't shot within 10 feet over them yet. So, oh my gosh, this is wicked. Dude, they're doing it gross, Ryder.
Alright, let's get them.
Oh gosh, I didn't even get a shot off.
They're doing it first.
Oh my God.
They're so hard to shoot. Yeah, they get too close.
Yeah, they are literally, that front bird right there is about 10 yards. Mojos are at 15 yards. This is epic. We have a perfect north wind at our back. Here we go.
Alright, let's get this done.
Oh, watch this one.
Right here on the right.
Goodness gracious. Reload, Cole, you moron.
Let's get them.
Let's go. Let's go. Dude, have you cut the clip yet? Oh my gosh. I bet I've shot 15 or 20 already. It hadn't been 6 minutes.
Oh, this is dead. Get him, Cole.
Do you want me to get that one? Oh, we are mopping. Give me some nucks. Camera nucks. Oh. Oh, Shelby's gonna be so upset. This is what you get, Shelby, for not waking up. This is what you get. Shelby, our Goose Reaper boss, was supposed to be coming today, but he decided he didn't want to. He just decided he wanted to sleep on in. Oh my gosh. This is the coolest hunt of my life so far on Pigeon. Oh.
I'm damn, it's all you. Whenever you're ready.
Let me get one. Gosh.
I'm damn, it's all you. Whenever you're ready.
Let me get one. Gosh.
I'm damn.
Oh, that was terrible.
I got 2.
There's a white one.
A white one right here. Yes, let's go.
Jeez, we are mopping.
Oh no. Oh shit.
Another white one.
Come back.
You're jammed?
On the right. White one, white one.
Where at? Oh, I missed my third shot. Coming back around. Do you need help?
No.
Yeah, I got tools.
Yeah, take whatever it takes you. Whatever you need.
2. Oh, hit him.
Right here.
What? Oh my gosh, dude. Gun is ripping, I'll tell you that. I need to get some shells. Oh, bad. Cows don't give it two F's. I can't reload fast enough. I literally can't reload fast enough.
Got it? Yeah. Oh!
Nice shot.
Long shot.
Did you get her? Oh, GoPro's gone in the poo. In the poo. 7 minutes. Hope y'all are enjoying this. Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, dude, we have at least 30. Right here out front. My barrel.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God, finally. Jeez Louise. Oh, God, finally. Jeez Louise. Okay, I gotta start shooting better. These shells are a little bit slower than I'm used to. Coming? Yeah, I could see how you could stick a shell in your gun backwards pretty easily doing this.
Oh boy, here we go.
I need my hands to warm up.
Land?
Oh yeah.
Let's try. No, we gotta rip that. Get him. No, we gotta rip that. Get him.
Goodness gracious. This is nuts. This was so worth the 2-hour drive over here. Thank you, Evan. Thank you, Evan.
All right, get him.
Gosh! Do you see him? My barrel's like, oh, where do I go? I got one though.
Oh, I'm all.
They're coming right back. Here we go.
Get him.
Nice. This is nuts. We have a huge spread now out there.
Oh well, big report.
Dude, if you just hold your barrel, your hands will warm up. We're in Texas, by the way. We're out in West Texas doing this pigeon hunt. It's like 32 degrees right now. It's the beginning of March. What's going on, Texas?
Oh,
Got him. Okay. Oh, this is fun.
dude, there's still fresh birds coming from town. We ain't
Oh, right here on the right. Oh, I love this. I love when they decoy. They're hard to get when they drop in. Oh.
Go ahead, on your side.
Yes.
Go ahead, on your side.
Yes. Oh, they're falling everywhere. Nice shooting. The point, Evan's got the big old tube on his gun. I need to take my plug out.
I am burning.
I would be doing a little better with a tube, I think. Warm my hands up. This is sick. We have 50 down. I didn't bring enough shells. Actually,
Call my wife in a minute. Hey, honey,
this is nuts. Oh gosh.
get him.
Oof. I got one. This looks like a pancake-a-rooski here. You want him?
Yeah, go ahead.
Nice shot. Nice deep shot there. Nice shot. No luck. Nice white one though. Holy 12-minute clip.
All right, I'm gonna start picking my shots.
Yeah, I'm gonna start doing that too a little bit better. Here we go. That was good. Here we go, right here, bombing in.
All right.
Oh gosh! Poofomatics right here. I love that sound. Oh, am I reloading? I keep forgetting to reload. Oh! There we go. Those dropped in quick. Oh my goodness. Dude, these are getting, I feel a little bad now. Just a little bit. Dropping in again, good grief. I'll take one deep. Oh my gosh. I got one box of shells left.
I got like 2 in my bag.
Took some good shots. This is wicked. Say the decoy spread and everything worked. He loves it.
Get up higher. Get up higher. Get up higher. Oh.
Hey, duck. Poor guy. Oh.
Nice shot. And the third one coming in on his buddy. Holy cow, that was a pretty sick little sequence there. If y'all,
Oh, he's so dead.
oh my Lord. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna click record on this thing.
This is probably the best fish I'm ever gonna do.
You want these?
Yeah. Shoot. Well, that was bad. Sorry. Sorry for whoever watched that. That was sick.
Motion before. You need a box?
I'm good right now. Nice shot. There we go. I'm gonna set this up. Oh gosh, I'm trying to mess with a GoPro. Nice shot. Oh, oh!
Oh, go down.
Be down. Oh, he hit the line.
Did he?
Yeah.
Watch these two. Holy cow. Okay, here we go, dropping in.
Get them.
Get,
Go ahead. Dude, they know to fly low. It's crazy.
But deep down as quick as you can.
This is wild.
I guess I can start putting my line.
All right, do I have time? I'm gonna put this right here. Try not. This is sick pigeon footage. I haven't even finished my energy drink. 17 minutes. Oh my gosh. I've gone through 3 boxes of shells already. And then my GoPro clock says 17 minutes. Oh, coming over.
Go ahead.
Right here, more coming.
Get him.
There we go. We are mopping flocks of pigeon. Come back.
Get him.
Let's go.
Get him.
Let's go. We are getting better at shooting today.
Right here.
Oh, right on the mojo. Nice shot. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Well, give me some love. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. This is awesome.
All right, right side.
Warm up my hands a little bit on the old barrel. Goodness.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I got 2. Get that back. No! Nice shot. Oh yeah, out front.
Dude, I had burnt some shells. Oh shit, my bad, boy.
And, oh, you're good.
You go ahead.
Get that one. Oh, right by him. Mob coming, mob coming. This is absolutely insane. I'm gonna let him do it.
Go ahead. Go ahead, do that.
God, I just like watching them.
Watching them from the ground.
This is ridiculous. They're 3.5 yards.
Oh no.
We've got 2 shots left. God, that's 6 for 6. 6 for 6. I'm out of ammo.
There you go.
I'm out.
You got 1 box.
That's 100 down.
Box.
1 box.
Right here.
Get him. Out front. Oh, 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 oh!
Oh, right in the butthole. I got 3 more shells that I'm gonna shoot and have these last ones. I'm running to the house getting more. Oh, dude, I got 40 miles to land. 30 miles to land.
I need some fuel too. Oh. Right here out front. Oh my, just landing
Let's
them.
try to kill one every shot on this last one.
Okay.
Alright.
They'll come back.
Okay.
Get them. Go down. There we go.
Alright, 3 for 3 on my last one.
Nice.
Right here.
All right, last shot. Get up a little bit.
Boys.
I went 9 for 9 on the last.
If y'all want to round up pigeons, okay. I'll be back as quick as I can.
Okay.
2 shells left.
2? Oh, sick. How is that? Oh, my. Holy cow.
He said they're everywhere.
Oh, dude. All right. 22 minutes. We're about to get a count. I guarantee you in 22 minutes we have over 100 on the ground. Absolutely. Smash that thumbs up button. We're gonna be doing this again. Oh, I'm speechless. They literally come in, we'll shoot them, we'll drop some of their buddies, they'll spin back around. Let me get this single right here up a rider.
Thank you.
That is gnarly. Oh my gosh. Now you get to see how pigeons decoy rider.
Yeah, right. I'm on the right.
Which one?
Right. Yeah.
What about this one?
Yep.
Oh, I couldn't wait anymore. I wanted that white wing one.
All right. I guess he said we'll start.
All right, let's pick them up. We're gonna do a little pickup. I'm gonna set the camera here. See y'all in just a second. I got a few more rounds. Oh my gosh. We'll take it easy, shoot some singles or something. I picked up 75, Ryder picked up 30, so that's 105. We probably got 15 to 20 more still out in the decoys and a couple behind us, but we're over 100 in 20 minutes, so we are gonna have to go back to the house and get some more ammo and come back out here. Oh my goodness gracious. A little bit of a pile going on there. That was incredible. Ooh, that was a lot of adrenaline in a short period of time there. Well, I can see one there. I know there's one there I can see, and there's a few more in those eating cows.
Yeah, there's a bunch on the other side too.
Hey, get back, get. Ain't got no food for you. Nice little decoy setup. Holy cow. I try to pick out some goofy looking ones. If you see a funny looking one, we'll shoot it. I'll wait for him to let him settle down, wait on Evan to get back with some more shells. I mean, oh my goodness. You got it?
Got him. He's laughing.
Is he?
Yeah.
He probably sees this big old pile next to me and is like, oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Holy cow, this is fun. That is just nuts. Oh. I flinched. I had the old trigger flinch. I got excited. I got 3 shots. I'm gonna wait on something cool. I love how Evan played it down. Like, yeah, we may shoot 40 or 50. Yeah. Okay, 120 in 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. Okay. All right, Ev. I like that though. Play it down. Don't get your hopes up, but if it happens, let it happen. Oh my Lord. Any goofy ones? Lighting's not the greatest for picking out cool ones, but
Yeah, y'all are kind of silhouetted. There's some one the black with the white on them.
where at?
Right here on the
I didn't see it. Oh, we could be murking. Oh man, it's hard not to shoot. Wow. You want to take this single?
Yeah.
Oh, back one, right up front.
Yeah.
We'll get a few single bustard montage. Modified choke's a lot better.
Yeah. Then
I can actually freaking shoot. Right here up front. Cool one.
Good.
Sick. All right, we got 2 bullets left.
Mob.
Oh yeah, here we go. Flock. I'll just pluck one out of it. Do singles. Oh, we lost a wing on our Mojo. one looked kind of different. I'll shoot one more. This one. There we go. 3 for 3. Oh, does he have any more? I'm gonna have to open a box of shells. Oh yeah, we got a few more. 4 more. Goodness. This is gonna be a 200 bird day. Sorry. Goodness. I'm gonna check that one real quick. Nothing. Thought about it. Sitting here like I'm gonna wait on a cool one. That's kind of a cool view there. Oh yeah, that'll be kind of dope. Little headache break. Here we go. Feet up. Yo, get. Hey. Yeah. Yo. Oh, that is a bull. Yo. God, that's a huge cow. Get out of here, you and your hooters. The old milk jugs holding them down. Oh. Wait for Evan to get back, shoot a couple more, and we can get on the road. A little early trip home. He's coming back. Oh, white one. Got him. That's okay. Oh, I'm out of ammo now. Yep.
At least you got him, man.
I got him. I wanted to shoot. I didn't want to shoot right at that barn. Dang it! That's a cool one. There's two under him, but I don't think I should mess with them. These little turds. Get out of here, bro. Come on. Jeez. Ew. Hey. Gosh, they're curious. Oh, white wing one. Well, I've picked up about 80 right there. Ryder probably put 30 there. We probably got 20 more out there. We shot over 50%.
There's the beginning. I had to use I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. Get!
Right here.
You get him.
Oh, I'll wait on these other ones. No.
Nice.
Dang.
Cinder. Nice. Ooh. Wow. Holy cow. We got a hammer. Did he just get that one? Oh my gosh, nice shot. Look, they're looking at the pitch. Holy moly. I'm satisfied. Oh, I've been needing to get that itch out. Itch is gone. Now I can go collect some more Pokemon. Need to get that new Dragonite. I'm ready. Get him.
Go try to acquire him.
You get it. I believe in you.
Acquire him. Target acquired. So these pigeons, they don't actually roost here, which is pretty cool. They come from the city and come out here to this farm. So it's not like
they were sleeping here overnight, and we're just getting them out from under the barns. They're actually flying 4 or 5 miles to come to this place, which is pretty cool. That's why I think they're doing it so great, because they're flying a long ways. They see the spinners and pigeon decoys on the ground, and they just come right in. Now the spinning back multiple times, that's something awesome. I think I got him. No? Dang, I thought that was good times. Nice shot. We're gonna clean the whole house out. Oh, flying the wrong way. That's a monster pidge there. Yeah, he's got a neck.
That's a patriarch.
He's not even, it didn't even ring its neck. Ooh, grenade.
It's about how they land too.
Yeah. Oh man, that was sick. I knew I should have too, but I didn't want to jinx anything. Also, Shelby stole my ammo. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. These are done. Oh.
Yeah. 2 shells, really? Fucking 2?
Here, they're coming back.
These are all you. Get 'em.
Blew its head off. Blew its head off.
Head.
Got
His body had.
Got him.
Oh man.
There's nothing left.
I'd say you got that one.
I panned over.
You got it.
Oh.
You'll see that. Okay, perfect. They're all up again. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on my head. That was a cool view though. Go on get, boy. Girls. I guess they're girls. Go on get, girl. On the right. Did I reload? Not sure. Oh my.
You ready?
Yep.
Let's get 'em.
Little twofer. Oh baby, I see feathers.
He dove with that
Get this last one. Nice dome piece. Good, nice, awesome, beautiful. I say color. That one loves, just give her a decoy, let her run off, play with it.
Behind us.
Good grief.
Let's get him, go.
Watch this third one come back.
I ain't gonna show. Send it. Yeah.
Nice triple. Sweet. Fetch it up.
He's going.
Fetch it up.
Get it.
Fetch it up, Cal. This is sick. He's following it around. He's like, I've been wanting to stomp you for a long time. Sometimes it works good.
Just a single.
Get him. Nice. He gone.
He do it.
Gone like a freight train, gone like yesterday. Oh.
Go ahead, get it, go.
Oh. I thought he'd pop up just a little bit. He did. Yeah, I'm just gonna say it again. That shot, I know it's gonna look, the GoPro's going like this over the barrel, so it looks like it's pointed down, but we are shooting 10 feet plus above these cows. They're dropping in nicely though. Hope y'all are enjoying this. Your turn. Nice.
See, this is why you live in America.
Exactly. Oh baby. Here we go. Oh gosh, they came at me too fast. Got him. That was a little tougher shot there. Had to get one off on the flock. Come on, Ryder. Sun's up enough to get some better, it's gonna be looking better here in a minute. Say we get to about 200, Here we go. Maybe? No? Oh, right here. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ready? Nicely done. Nice. Twofer. A little twofer. 2 for 2. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Didn't see him at first. Ooh, there's a white one in that spot. Get him. Nice shot. Oh, you gave him the old lift. I like that. Yeah, I need to do that. That was sick. Holy moly.
We might get 2 hundo today.
Well, yeah, I think so. Frick, I don't even know, to be honest. 196, maybe?
My best was 2.
I don't think I've gotten over 200.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, a double.
You got 2? No way. Nice.
Oh, right here?
Oh, good grief.
Yeah, get it.
Your shot. Nice. Hit the. Oh, wow. What a
Get
beautiful,
away from my pigeon.
what a beautiful time out here. Oh, here we go. Get him. Yeah.
Try him. Oh, he's gonna get cold as mud right here.
Maybe. There we go. He came back for round 2. This will be the coolest pigeon hunt. All right, we're good now. We got batteries. It'll last. This is gonna be the sickest pigeon hunt on the internet. By the way, guys, Evan, who we're with, owns an outfitter out here in West Texas as well for waterfowl, pronghorn. What else do you do? A few pigeons here and there, but if you want to go on some of the best waterfowl hunting in your life, check out Tornado Country Outfitters. You may get lucky and get a pigeon hunt. Nice double. You may get lucky and get a pigeon hunt. Clearly can't bring clients in here, but if they're hitting the field next to it, you want to go on an afternoon hunt or something, I don't know how he does it, but you can talk to Evan about that. Check out Tornado Country. If you want to go on some of the best goose hunting of your life, check out Tornado Country out here in Texas. So I'm pretty sure I've got a lot of viewers in Texas. If you want to go on a good goose hunt, I'll drop his number right here. Yeah, check it out. You get pigeon clients though, you better invite me.
Oh, dude. Pigeons are
Thought we had him.
They'll pop over.
Hey! Pop that.
Poor guy.
Love that. What an awesome day. Nice shot.
sorry, dude. Everything's coming around.
No, you're good, dude. I am completely fine.
At this point, we're just building the pile.
Yeah, at this point, it's done. It's done. Yeah, I mean, I'm good. Unbelievable. Ryder fits right in, dude. Looks like he works here. Don't shoot, don't stretch my cows out.
Milk starts churning.
That milk starts churning. I will say, I think I do have the funniest cameraman on YouTube. Yeah. Oh gosh, 3-pack.
Go ahead.
Oh, I got one. Nice, we got them all.
Oh, yeah.
I pooped down my leg there.
Come on.
I guess I'll do a little help. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, big bull. Hey, big buddy. We have a decoy spread now. We do. Wow. Wow, wow. Man, these things are relentless. Banded one. Banded cows. Shoot that bad boy. Headshot.
Right where I wanted to land.
Perfectly.
We playing that?
That would win $1,000 in a tournament. Yep. Nice shot. Oh. On the swing.
What choke did you use?
I just got a modified in. Oh yeah. Get him. Nice. Little double.
Need it every now and then.
Hard not to hit these in the butt sometimes. Oh gosh.
Get up.
Oh, I love that. I'm gonna try the old pigeon trick. Old pigeon toss. Oh, they're up. Here we go.
You gonna make it? You gonna make it? Oh, they're done.
Here we go.
Can you roast this one away?
Yeah.
Dylan?
Yeah. Nice shot. Oh, double. I didn't even. Oh, let's go. No way, triple. Nice, dude. Nice triple. That was pretty awesome there. Get that one. That one was white. That was nasty.
You're so close.
Holy cow. I'm good whenever you're good. I'll give her 20 minutes. Nice shot. Oh, another one. I love a good single. Sick. Here we go, out front maybe. Get him. Nasty, nasty pair. I had to. He was coming right at me. He was begging for it on the left.
Oh, no,
Swooping in. Oh, the feathers. Oh, that's all you.
Head is gone.
Nice.
Whisper words.
Oh, right here, right here. Oh, weird looking one. Get him. Nice.
That might have been a little overkill.
Yeah,
But
hey, sometimes it happens. That guy's like, these guys are making a mess. Nice shot.
That ring, dude.
Yeah, that did ring. Oh, that was the speed shock. That was a good shot.
Different.
Yeah, you can. That's a big difference.
right here.
Oh, crap. Oh, gosh, that did kick. I forgot about it. Had a little steel shot in there. Ow, that hurt. I was not holding the gun for a steel shot. Forgot. Oh, I had one fletched. That was his solo going.
I was like feeling that. Alright,
Nice.
I'm out.
There we go.
Smoke this one.
Oh, man.
That's a white one, I bet you, Shelby, we have shot over 100.
I do, I love it. I brought 100 rounds.
We brought 4 bombs. Let's work.
Oh! A little pinball action. Little update, we just got a pretty solid count. We were at 190, now we're at 192. We need 8 more. 8 more to break 200.
Let's get them.
Oh! We both shot into it, didn't we? Okay, we need 6 more for 200. Wow. 6 more. I've only been hunting for about an hour. This is one of the most epic pigeon hunts I've ever been on. Shout out Evan again.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely incredible. Nice shot. He's dipping and diving.
One more.
That middle one needs to get shot. Oh, the other one went down. There it goes. I got 2.
Oh, 2?
Oh, you got 2?
Yeah.
Nice. So we killed
3?
3.
Ooh. 1 more. Oh.
Smell it.
Oh gosh.
Let's kill all these motherfuckers.
No! Did you get one?
I got 1.
Yeah, I got one. Oh, we hit the 200. That was piss poor. Oh, got it.
I might get away.
Oh yeah, we might need to go. I'm gonna go grab this.
Our bed's full. Bed is full. We're covered in cow poo. It was a good day. Disclaimer, nothing was harmed, no animals, nothing was injured or
Not even the pigeon.
harmed in this video, not even the pigeons. Oh, to add to that, this video was made for educational purposes, how to avoid buildings. We were in a safe environment as long as you just stayed safe, so hopefully you learned something from that today. This disclaimer, educational purposes. Look at you. We didn't bring Bella today. I didn't mention it. We didn't bring Bella today because I didn't want her covered in poo. So I didn't want her to get like an ear infection or something stupid like that either. She got a good nap this morning. She's to hang out with a pigeon right now. Sick. That was a blast, man. Get us a little tile pick.
Yup.
Can-Am bed pick.
Oh, bed pick.